Hi, I'm Sophia. Welcome to that set. Do you know why your back is feeling stiff after sitting all day? The reason is Erector Spinae, which consists of three different muscles: spinalis, longissimus, and iliocostalis. And they hold your spine and your posture. These are one of the strongest muscles in the body. So when they're weak, other muscles have to compensate for it, creating stiffness in your whole back. Just stretching is not a solution. We need to strengthen them as well. We will do 4 things that will give you instant relief and also fix the root cause of it. Let's begin. We'll start with forward bend. So put the base of your palm on the base of your skull and slowly start tilting forward and forward. If you feel tension already, bend your knees so that you can connect the abdomen with the thighs. And let go of your head. Feel the slight push of your hands on the skull. And feel the relief throughout the whole spine. Let the blood flow into the head. And let the next inhale bring you up. Slowly roll your spine all the way up and look up as a counter stretch. Now come sitting on your mat and bend your left knee and twist to the back of the mat, looking back. Keep your right leg active and feel the stretch created in your middle back as well as in the neck. Breathe in this position. Let each exhale allow you to twist deeper. Try not to sink in the shoulders, but rather keep an upright posture. And inhale, come back to center. Other side. Bend your right leg and twist to the right side. Feel the relief in your whole back. Open the shoulders and feel how your neck is lengthening, how your whole spine is lengthening. And feel the Erector Spinae muscle working as well as stretching. And come back to center. Let's move to the active exercises. Come on your hands and knees. Raise your left hand forward and your right leg back. Inhale here and exhale, bring the knee to the elbow. Inhale, elongate again. Exhale, knee to elbow. Inhale, straighten the limbs. Exhale, knee to elbow. And once again, inhale and exhale and come back to the neutral position. Now raise your right hand forward and your left leg back. Inhale and exhale, bring knee to elbow. Inhale and exhale, crunch. Inhale, elongate. Exhale, crunch. And once again. And exhale, come back to neutral position. Now come into plank. Raise your knees and stay here. Try not to sink your hips, but rather keep them up. And also don't sink in the shoulders, but raise your chest and feel how the erector spinae muscle holds your whole position. If this feels easy, you can come down on your elbows and hold here. Hold this pose for as long as you can, keep in good form, and then come back into the neutral position. To fix the root cause, do the bird dog and plank exercises 3 to 4 times per week for a month. Thank you for joining me. Please subscribe for more videos like this. That's it.